Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel.
Friends, today let us gain knowledge on RTM. It is one of the most important topic of testing. RTM stands for Requirement Traceability Matrix. It is a document that maps and traces user requirements with the test cases. It captures all requirements proposed by the client and requirement traceability in a single document delivered at the conclusion of the software development lifecycle. Generally, in this document, we list out all the requirements, all the functionalities mentioned by the client. And also, we used to create some test cases. And also, we used to list out the test cases, map the test cases. By this, we can see, is there any requirement got missed in creating the test cases? And also, we will get to know what are the test cases created for particular requirement. And the most important thing, the most important reason why we're maintaining RTM is for every requirement there should be a test case. For every requirement there can be more than one test case. It can be 100 test cases also, but in one test case, you should not cover more than one requirement. This is a strict point that one requirement can have many test cases, but one test case should not deal with more than one requirement.
Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey. And also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.